A unit without pressure safety switches and with an outdoor fan failure can let refrigerant pressures run unchecked and cause catastrophic compressor damage. When a fan stops and there is no high or low pressure safety switch, the outdoor coil cannot reject heat efficiently, which raises head pressure and risks motor overcurrent and compressor overheating. Low suction pressure can allow liquid refrigerant to migrate into the compressor during startup and cause mechanical hydraulic lock or washout of the compression surfaces. Adding a high pressure switch protects against excessive head pressure by opening on a predetermined threshold and cutting power before the compressor overheats, while a low pressure switch prevents operation when suction falls below safe levels, which reduces slugs of liquid refrigerant entering the compressor. For older equipment, consider upgrading the control circuit to accept pressure switches and add a time delay to avoid nuisance trips during short fan cycling events. When replacing a failed outdoor fan motor, choose a motor with equal or better horsepower and service factor and verify rotor and capacitor condition to avoid repeat failures. Always document set points and test trips after installation, and educate the homeowner how to recognize early signs such as high discharge temperatures, abnormal noises, or repeated short cycling so they can call for service before major damage occurs. Common mistakes include relying on a single thermal motor protector instead of proper pressure safeties, which can allow pressures to spike without electrical interruption, so add both high and low pressure switches wired to the compressor contactor to cut power safely. Another issue is using incorrect set points or not setting differential hysteresis, which causes nuisance tripping. Calibrate switches against manufacturer recommendations and allow a short reset delay. A third concern is replacing only the motor and not addressing potential compressor contamination after a fan failure. So inspect and, if necessary, flush the system, change the filter dryer, and test oil for acid and moisture to avoid premature compressor failure. On bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find local contractors by listing professionals nearby and providing a discussion community where users share experiences and ask questions. We also help contractors find work by connecting them to homeowners and offering a place to engage directly with potential clients and peers.